another video. So yes, honey, I'm giving you Chun-Li anime and a Yuki vibe. If you're new, I know somebody's new. This is the new person every day. Make sure you subscribe, girl. You already know. You better subscribe. All right, I'm gonna give you, I'm gonna give you a second. I'm gonna let you subscribe. Where my lip gloss at? I'm looking for my lip gloss so that I can give you time to subscribe. Okay, go ahead. Yep, subscribe. Oh, bell notification too. Hit that bell. Do it. Got it? You done? Okay, you done. For further ado, let's get on with this video. Now I'm going to be brushing the hair out. As you can see, look at these curls, honey. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Okay guys, now it's time to do the baby hairs, and I'm gonna be using the Got To Be Glued Ultra Glue black gel and my baby hair toothbrush. Now the wig does come with some baby hairs already, these little strands right here, so we're just gonna work with what we got right now. So my look I was inspired today was anime. I'm embarrassed. Don't judge me. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it called anime or anime? Somebody tell me, okay? I just love how the characters have these very fun hairstyles and with their big bright eyes, and it just looks so gorgeous. I just got 2 ponytails in the front. Now let me tell you guys, this is not a frontal wig. This is a closure wig. No tracks are showing whatsoever. Let me turn to the back for you guys. I just want to do a very gorgeous, fun look. Like, girl, this look is popping. What you saying? What you saying? So I definitely want to do a look more out of my comfort zone and, yeah, spice it up a little bit. Hand ties deep lace parting wig. So as you can see from the parting, I know you're like, girl, hold on. Where you get all that parting from? I love deep parting on wigs. It makes the wig look so much more natural. Begging for more parting space on wigs. I be begging, like, please, can I have more parting? Like, what I'm gonna do? But yeah, look at all that parting space, guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving deep parting. I love it. And that parting is so realistic looking. I just put concealer and powder off camera, and yeah, voila, no plucking or nothing needed at all. So the color I got this wig in is in T1B Teal, which is a nice dark blue color. I'm loving it. Like, the color is so gorgeous, guys. When you first get the wig, the curls are gonna look very fake. You just have to brush the curls. As far as the synthetic shine, in person, on camera, the hair looks a bit shiny. That's because I'm by the daylight lighting also, but it doesn't have a fake shine to it whatsoever. Like, the texture of it feels like a light yaki hair texture, not too silky, not too coarse. This is a great color for the summertime. As I said, guys, go bold, go beautiful for the summertime, okay? I want to see y'all in green, purple, blue, orange, vanilla, Cantella, chocolate, vanilla, everything. As far as the hair density, great amount of hair density. You get a lot of hair, and it's not a lot to where it's like, girl, this is too much hair in my head. What am I doing? No, honey. The curls are beautiful. This hair looked like it was just curled with the curling iron. The curls are so beautiful and natural. As far as shedding, I'm not really getting too much shedding. I'm getting a regular amount of shedding that you get with any type of wig. Just minimal shedding I'm getting. First, you could have forgot. Get ready to shake test for your life. This hair is definitely shake test approved, honey. This hair moves and moves in the wind. This hair is not stiff at all. The brand of this wig is Sensational. Sensational wigs, they never fail to impress me. They never ever fail to impress me. They always do their thing with their wigs. You can straighten this hair and you can curl it up to 350 degrees. Could I make the top more flatter than what it is? But just to make a quick style like that, it looks really natural. It don't look bumpy at all. The hair looks without the ponytails, just in a middle part. It also looks very pretty too. How it's looking, straight in the middle part. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at the bounce. Look at the curls, honey. Look at these curls. Yes, darling. If you want me to do any other styles you have in mind, like, you know, the style they say was anime inspired, other inspired styles you guys want me to do, make sure to let me know down below. I'm into any styles you guys want me to do. And when it comes to wigs, you can be as creative as you want to be. I'm going to be wearing this wig a lot on Instagram, so yeah, better follow me now. Even though I get wigs straight out the packaging and review them, I also keep you guys updated on Snapchat, so make sure you add me on Snapchat. I add everybody on Snapchat that adds me, so yeah, there we go. You guys didn't know my anime name is Anna Yuki. Anna Yuki. Anna Yuki. Anna Yuki. Okay? Hiya. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Thank you guys for 11K subs.
Like 12K, 20K, 24K, 30K, 40K, and so on.
Okay, darlings. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you and have a slayful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.